Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a good trading week. If you enjoy any part of this video, feel free to drop it a like and subscribe for more. In this video, we'll be looking at the trading results for the 5 expert advisors that we've been trading over the past 40 days. As you can see, we started in October and the account was open until the 8th of December. Overall, it is always a good idea to have a holistic approach to your trading, not just focusing on 1 month, but rather looking at a larger time frame. Here we have all of the trading results for the different experiments that I've done through the past 9 months. As you can see, we have a variety of different accounts, trials, demos, and real trading accounts. If we look at the total result for the year, I'm looking at a 20.97% return for these combined accounts. It is important not just to look at bad days or bad weeks or even bad months, but focus on your year-to-date return. Look at what you could potentially do and focus on where you can improve. An important part of that is keeping detailed logs or journal of your trades. And to do this online, you simply connect the account to myfxbook. Under free XAU bots, we will now look at what the bots individually did and their overall movement for the trading period. It is important that we focus on drawdown moving forward. As you can see, drawdown is always an important factor, especially when it comes to prop firms. I've been receiving a lot of questions about the different types of drawdown, and we'll be doing a series on that moving forward. When trading gold, we often see a much higher drawdown than trading Forex pairs because of its volatility. The link for this account will be in the description so you can take a closer look at the results and analyze them for yourself. As you can see, at the height of our growth, we were up 6%. However, our first loss on Center EA caused a 20% drop. As you can see, we had a few days of growth after that. However, Dark Moon, the other bot trading on the 1 minute time frame, also took a couple of losses. First lesson that we learned from this experiment is that trading the 1 minute time frame can be very risky. If we look at our profitability or our win rate, we see we did achieve a 68% win rate. However, our average loss was much larger than our average win, which caused us a profit factor below 1. A system should always have a profit factor above 1 for it to be profitable. If we look at the monthly gains in the first month or few days that it traded in October, we were up 3.52%. However, in November, because of the stop loss being hit by the 2 bots, we were down 27%. We can take this information and compare it now to other signals and other bots trading gold and see where we could potentially improve and enhance this trading system. The drawdown, like I said before, when it comes to trading gold, can be much higher than other Forex pairs. So do trade gold with caution. Next, I'm going to fxblue account linked to this trading bots. So on fxblue, it also provides you with information about your balance, your profit, your drawdown, and margin used, as well as your peak drawdown percentage, as well as your trade win and profit factor and statistics that are found on both of these websites. Both of these websites are free to use and they can give you valuable information that will elevate your trading. For example, filtering according to magic number gives you the opportunity to look at the profit made by each of the individual bots. In this case, we see the 2 losses made by Center EA and Dark Moon according to their default magic numbers. You also see that the 3 other bots did fairly well, and we can now compare their performance with each other and with live signals published on MQL5. It is important to use all of this in statistics to enhance your trading. There we have the profit for Gold Edge at $5,459. Remember, the bot wasn't running for the whole 40 days, so it will be interesting to see how it performs moving forward. The total net profit for Dark Venus was $1,283 on the conservative set file that I was running on the 15-minute time frame. My own manual trades that don't have a magic number accounted to 376. If we look at these 3 results, we can compare them now not only with each other, but I'm also going to compare our Gold Edge result with the signal from the author. The other bot that really impressed me during this time was our cap moving average bot. It doesn't trade a lot because it's running on the 15-minute time frame. However, it was able to make a net profit of $2,787. Our largest and most profitable bot during the period was Gold Edge, so let's compare it to the live signal from the author. I have messaged the author and asked him the settings that he is using to create this, and I will adjust mine moving forward. Now his signal has been running for the past 4 weeks, and on an initial deposit of 10,000, in the 4 weeks he has profited $867.29. This means an 8.67% growth since 4 weeks. He is currently running it on a Titan FX mt4 account to show you what it's capable of doing with the bot. It is you are able to copy the trades directly to another demo account, so feel free to take a closer look at that. What we can do now is actually look at both of our trading statistics. Remember, I was only trading in one direction. However, after speaking to the author, he told me he is hedging his bets. I always recommend messaging the authors directly on MQL5 as to avoid scammers outside. As you can see, his bot placed a total trades of 270 with a 79.21% win rate. You'll see total best trades as well as gross trades, average loss, and average profit. It is important to familiarize yourself with these different statistics and learn what each of them means. For example, the profit factor, as we saw with our negative account, was only 0.76. However, for this bot individually, it is currently achieving 1.76 on its forward test. The trading activity indicates the amount of days during the period that he was trading. So out of the 4 weeks, the bot was running for 18 trading days, which means a 69.23%. It placed an average of 52 trades per week, and his maximum drawdown was 18.2%. It is important to take these statistics and adjust your set file accordingly. Knowing that the maximum drawdown can be up to 18.2%, I would recommend running it with a 20% drawdown limit. I am very impressed by the win rate on this bot, as well as its drawdown reducing functions. When I do the review for Gold Edge next week, we'll take a deeper look at how the bot is able to achieve these numbers by running some test examples. Now that we've taken a closer look at what he was able to achieve in the past 4 weeks running Gold Edge signal live in the market, we can now compare these statistics with our own trading statistics. What I would like to do is also run the bot on different prop firms that are available for trading. If you haven't already recently checked the FTMO website, make sure to do so now. FTMO are running a Xmas calendar promotion. What this means is they are giving away free goodies to those that are already registered online. I have already registered for a free trial, which we'll be doing by running different bots, and the bot that I would recommend trading on for the FTMO challenge. So as you can see, they have been giving away different prizes during the competition. However, make sure to read the T's and C's before moving forward. I will be doing a short trial during December period and then a full trial in the new year. I don't recommend trading during December because of the volatility. However, if you are using a demo account, feel free to trade during the time to get familiarized with a period of low volatility. However, if you look at your strategy tester for different bots during December, you will see that it is a tendency for bots to struggle because of the low volatility. If you haven't already, make sure to register for these free prizes on FTMO's website. Let's get back to our trading results and look at the statistics for the free profitable bots and the two that hit their stop loss. So back on fxblue, under Analyze, we are now going to add the other chart varieties that we have available and under their magic numbers. The one that I want to see the most is the number of trades. One of the big lessons that can be taken from these 5 bots is trading the 1 minute on gold is highly risky. I do recommend the other bots be traded on their recommended time frames, which is the 5 minute for gold edge and the 15 minute for the moving average crossover and dark Venus. If we look at the profit of the moving average crossover, it placed the fewest amount of trades, however, was able to generate a healthy return of 2.5%. If we look at one of the other high volume bots, we have Gold Edge. All the way at the top, we have our Dark Moon at 21% and our Dark Venus set file at only 10% of the trading activity. It is important to go for quality instead of quantity when it comes to these set files. Now that we've taken a closer look at the trading volumes of the bots and the trading volume of the signal, we are able to analyze specific bots under their magic numbers. So under symbol, I'm going to select the magic number and we have the trading results for the different bots. Firstly, I'm going to sort them by quantity. And right at the top, we have Gold Edge, and right behind it, we have Dark Moon. Center EA in its 2-week period had 82 trades, and then in the last 2 places, we have Dark Venus and Cap Moving Average. If we see the Gold Edge signal, you'll see it placed a total of 270 trades, so our trading quantity is on par with the author's signal. You'll see that our average win and average loss compared to the signal is also similar, which means that our take profit is adjusted correctly. The other thing that we can now learn from this is to run that 20% stop loss limit to make sure that we are able to keep the right amount of drawdown. All of these statistics now give us the opportunity to look at how to potentially improve a set file. I always think of a set file as growing and evolving. The latest set file for Dark Venus and the other bots will be saved on the Google Drive in the description, so feel free to test these on a long period, a short period. However, I always recommend trading them on demo first. The bot that impressed me the most was the cap moving average running on the 9 and the 200 with a profit factor of 4.16. If we look at the profit factor of Dark Venus for the set file, it was 4.55. What I'll be doing moving forward is testing these two bots live on the market. What that means is we'll be growing a small account using these two specific bots, and it will be featured on the channel. The other project for 2023 is a FTMO Trail, and find a bot that has the low enough drawdown to potentially pass a challenge. I know there are multitude of different prop firms offering different types of evaluations, so we'll take a closer look at those. And more importantly, we'll take a big look at drawdown. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to manage drawdown, when it should be altered, and how you can manually intervene. For me, a rule of thumb is I'm able to achieve a 67% win rate and generate a free profit factor. I look for bots that are able to align itself with me. As you can see, both Dark Venus and Cap Moving Average achieved that above 4 profit factor. Next, I'm going to be going to the current FTMO trial that I started a few days ago. What this means is I'll show you and tell you about the bot that I am currently running and the set file that I made and the reason behind it. When it comes to trading FTMO Trail, I do recommend start first with a bot that has a set stop loss and take profit for each trade. The reason for doing this is you need to manage your drawdown when doing these challenges. I will be doing 2 trials before moving to a real FTMO challenge in the future. The first trial will just be to see what the potential spread, slippage, and trading conditions will be, and the other trial will be to amplify the results. Now, this hasn't been running very long, but it is currently up $19 in profit. I started the challenge on the 7th of December, and it will be running until the 20th of December. I chose a swing account with a 10,000 balance. The swing account only has a 1 to 30 leverage, so do take that into consideration when you are planning your trading strategy. The robot that I am currently running is the Fibonacci scalper for mt4. It is a very short time frame, however, so far it has been able to close $19 in profit. Each trade has its own stop loss and take profit set. It also has a trailing stop for each trade, and I'm currently only running it on the Euro USD. It is at the moment doing a 80% win rate. However, the sample size is still very small. For the first 2 weeks of the trial period, I will only be running this specific bot to see if it can hold under the permitted daily loss. It is important to familiarize yourself with the different apps and tools that they have available, as I know a lot of profitable traders rely heavily on these apps. If you're not familiar with these, make sure to sign up for a free FTMO trial and test your trading system. It is difficult to find the right bot for these type of challenges because of the drawdown of most grid style bots. I will be testing multitude of different bots on this account so that we can see what will adapt well to the specific FTMO circumstances. It is important to run it on a VPS that is connected online so that you can trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Moving forward, I will be recording a few videos of exactly what settings I am testing and what are the results. So if you haven't already, feel free to drop this video a like and subscribe for more. If you haven't already, just turn on the bell and you'll be notified about the future videos about drawdown and how the FTMO trial is going. Happy trading. Bye.